Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete other history on TikTok shop. You want to delete your TikTok shop other history. Here's what you need to know and what you can do. Step 1, open the TikTok app. Make sure you are logged into the account you used for shopping. Step 2, go to your profile. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Step 3, access your orders. Tap the three lines at the top right, then select orders. Here you'll see all your order activity, recent, completed, cancelled. Step 4, can you delete them? TikTok does not allow full deletion of order history, but you can hide the details or clear your search view history. Step 5, hide your activity optional. Go to settings, privacy, activity, then clear your watch or search history to reduce traces. Step 6, contact TikTok support. If you really need something removed, tap settings, report a problem, and explain your request. They may help in special cases like home orders or privacy issues. So while you can't fully delete other history, you can limit what's visible and keep things clean. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more video, and hit the bell for updates. See you in the next one.